All right. Everybody who comes on the show, they answer this one question first. Mm-hmm. If there's one thing you can talk less about, what would it be?
The word less. Because the less you talk about less, the less you get of less. Because finish it.
What do you mean finish it?
Your name less.
You can't talk less about me. Everybody got to be talking about me.
Less, but like the things is like, it's certain things you ain't got to talk more about in a way of, like you said, do more. Like actions speak louder than words.
Right.
See, now I know where I'm going with this now.
Okay.
See, at first I didn't know where I was going.
Okay. Keep going. You're doing great, sweetie.
Actions speak louder than words, and pretty much nobody ain't got time for the words. They care about the actions.
Right.
Lights. Camera.
Action. Good job. You did not give us an answer, but whatever.
I said again no answer.